Immobiliser Fit. This is a 2019 Golf R protected with our MetaTrack system. So you have two tags where you push the button to prove it's you. If a thief managed to get the key, went to steal the vehicle, it's just simply not going to start up. As you see, the ignition comes on, but the engine doesn't start. It's not going anywhere. You have about 10 seconds to prove it's you by pressing the button on the tag. If not, you're going to get a phone call. The horn's going to go mad and the hazards are going to go off. So to silence it, we just prove that it's us. So we press the button on the tag. The system knows it's us, it's disarmed. If you're not around, you're going to get the call. If you are around, then obviously you're going to hear the horn and the hazards going off. If it's you driving the vehicle, all you've got to do when you hop in, press the button, receive a flash, you're good to start the car. Starts up, fires into life, no issues. This is our MetaTrack immobiliser with call alert. It also has remote immobilisation as well, so if you get yourself into an instance where a thief has broken into your house, stolen the keys with the tag, disarmed the system and driven it off, we can go into our tracking app, see where the vehicle is. So here we can go to it. We can also immobilise the vehicle, so if we just press immobilisation off, you'll see in a second the vehicle dies. It's not going anywhere. Even if they have the tag, get in the vehicle, press the button, go to start it, it's just not going to start up at all. We're also getting another phone call from it telling us that someone's in the vehicle, our command's successful and the vehicle's immobilised. To get it back, when you get to the vehicle, obviously zoom in, it will show where it is. Go into your app, turn the immobilisation off, and then you're good to go. We're getting another phone call just to let us know that command's gone through. But if we press the button, the vehicle now starts up, fires into life, and we can drive off. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a Volkswagen Golf R with our MetaTrack system with upgraded call alert and remote immobilisation if someone was to break into your house and steal the key with the tags. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.